Welcome. In front of me is an Infinix Zero Ultra, and today I will show you how we can put this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold our power key, select power off, and when the phone turns off you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So I'm going to do that right now. There was a vibration, though I didn't see any kind of a logo on the screen. Yeah, so there we go. I believe once you feel the vibration, you want to immediately let go of the power key. This will then take you to the screen right over here. So to get past this, you want to hold power key and press volume up once, which will take us to recovery mode. Now in here, you can use the volume keys to navigate through the options that are obviously visible, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And to quickly go over the options right here, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Reboot to bootloader, which enters, I believe, fast boot mode actually. And then we have fast boot mode, which is labeled correctly. Apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off the device. So that's basically all we have right here. So I'll stick with the first option, which takes me back to Android. Let's confirm it. And I'm just gonna simply wait for the device to boot back up. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.